Welcome to the Next.js Firebase course, where you'll build a full-stack, real-time, interactive web application. We'll build a social blogging platform inspired by apps like DEV.to and Medium. You'll learn how to use React to build out front-end UIs and Firebase for your back-end user authentication, database, and file storage. Next.js ties these two technologies together, providing a reliable way to manage your code and implement complex requirements like routing, server-side rendering, and data fetching. The beauty of Next is that it provides multiple different ways to handle the rendering of an application, and the goal of this course is to showcase those different strategies along with their trade-offs. We'll implement a variety of complex features that you won't find in other courses, like how to securely implement custom usernames, or how to server-side render a page, then hydrate it to real-time data, and ensure that all of your public-facing pages are search engine optimized. You'll work with real-time data in Firestore, upload files to a storage bucket, implement a many-to-many social liking feature, in addition to many other advanced concepts. By the end of this course, you'll understand how these three technologies work together to build flexible web applications that can scale to any workload. Before you enroll, make sure to play around with a live demo because that's exactly what we'll be building from scratch. I would describe the course as intermediate level. It won't cover every single basic concept you need to know for React or Firebase. However, the introduction to the course has a set of videos that will get you up to speed quickly. The course is fast-paced, similar to my style on YouTube, but goes into much more detail than you would normally find in a YouTube video. If you run into issues or have questions, you can reach out on the Slack channel to interact with the community or to chat with me personally. I look forward to taking this course with you and just want to say thank you for being a pro member and supporting Fireship. And go ahead and open VS Code to an empty directory, then I'll see you in the next video.